Hi everyone, Tawfiq here. So welcome to my fourth video in my series on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So you might be wondering why my cube is all solved again, why aren't we back to the first two layers solved and needing to solve the yellow side. So what I've actually done is we're going to take a little break right now, and what we're going to do, we're going to learn how cube notation works. What this is a sort of official sort of shorthand on how to describe cube turning. Because once we get to having to solve the yellow side, we have to start using some algorithms. So what these are is a set of defined cube rotations together that will solve a specific aspect of the cube for us. And we can't describe this without using cube notation. So if you want to see what I mean, let's keep watching and we'll see how this is going to work. So what cube notation is all based on is having a certain color that we're facing with our cube being held a certain way. So for all of this, we're going to pretend that the red side is what's facing me. Now obviously when you're solving the cube, any side could be facing you, but usually what's going to happen is that the yellow is on top, white's on bottom, or whatever colors your cube is using, with the other colors as your side. For this video, we're going to have red facing us. So how's this going to work? The way cube notation works is that every move is defined by a letter, and that letter represents a side that we're going to be turning. Now, by default, the direction we turn the sides is clockwise, so this way. Okay? So, for the front side, the letter is F, F being for front. Now, that kind of makes sense. So, if we see in an algorithm the letter F on its own, what that means is we're going to take the front side and turn it clockwise. So that's the result of an F move. So I just did F, F, F. Now, we have our other letters too. So for the right side, we have R. Now, if we see an R on its own, that means we turn the right side clockwise. So that's R, 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 like that. Now, L is for left side, L for left. So an L turn would be L, 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 like that. Now, U is for up. So if we see a U, we'll turn our U clockwise, U, 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 like that. So every letter means turning it clockwise. Now, these last two are kind of not used very much. B is for back. So it's kind of hard to tell from this side, but if we were to turn it around, B, 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 like that. And the last one is D for down. So up, down, left, right, front, back. So a D turn would be like D, 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 like that. Now obviously when we solve the Rubik's Cube, we're not just doing clockwise turns over and over again like that. We have counterclockwise turns as well. Now how that's going to be denoted in notation is using an apostrophe or a prime. So when we say U prime, what that means is we turn the up side counterclockwise. So U prime would look like this. So U prime, U prime, U, U, like that. So F prime would be turning the front side counterclockwise. F prime, F prime, F prime, F, 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 like that. Likewise, L prime would mean turning the left side counterclockwise. R prime would mean turning the right side counterclockwise, like that. You get the drill. The last thing we have here that makes it easier for us is turning sides 180 degrees like that. Now, what we can notice is that whether we turn it clockwise or counterclockwise, we end up with the same thing. So we're not actually going to write UU, what we're going to write is U2. Okay, so if we see a 2 after the letter, it means turn that side 180 degrees. So R2 would mean turn the right side 180. So R2, R2, R, R prime, R2, like that. F2 would mean turning the front side 180. So hopefully you get the gist of that. So again, a recap. We have our 6 sides, F for front, B for back, U for up, D for down, L for left and R for right. The most common moves we're going to see is of the F, U, and R sides. And if a letter is on its own, it means we turn it clockwise. With a prime, we turn it counterclockwise. And with a 2, we turn it 180 degrees. There are a few other special moves, but we're not going to see them in the algorithms we use for the next few videos. So hopefully that clears up cube notation a little. We'll see it in action in the next few videos when we start getting into algorithms. So stay tuned to see that. I'll see you around for the next video. Bye!